We want to talk about our friends in Team Palestine. We first met them online before FGC 2019. We had reached out for help since it was our first use in the competitions, and they offered the greatest support. Even on the competition day, their coach Khalil stayed at our booth and helped us for hours, sometimes having his team members come and helps also. We members of both teams were enjoying each other's company. We were learning about each other, culture, and traditions. We spent a great time together. We ate, sang, danced, went out, even had a competition round together. Team Palestine, we love you from the bottom of our hearts.
Through the great opportunity that First Global offered us, we are able to meet people from multiple nations, make friends and dream together in the language of science. Our competitions unite us, not disunite us. Cooperation, fellowship and friendship prevail among all the participants, regardless of gender or race.
Before the 2019 First Global Challenge started, our bond as a team wasn't really tight. Throughout the journey of working together, sharing our ideas, thoughts, and even our memories and laughs, our bond has become so much tighter. Now, we can see ourselves as anything but one big family. Besides, we met even greater people in the 2019 First Global Challenge. We got to know many of them, discuss different points of view, and help each other improve our knowledge and personalities. Many of the teams we met helped us achieve lots of things we could have only dreamed of. Days and months have passed without meeting our friends from the First Global Challenge, but love remains in our hearts even if distance separates us.
First Global has impacted our way of connecting with others. Thanks to First Global, we have had the opportunity to meet other people that are different from us. But we have passions in common, such as STEM, that unify us. We are more than a team, we are a family. Intercultural exchanges like this makes us realize we're all part of the same family, and that family is mankind. We might be far from each other, but love and a little help from technology keep us together.
The team of North Macedonia is infinitely delighted with First Global for the work it does for young people, and we are infinitely grateful for allowing us to meet people all over the world and for new friendships that were born at this very event. First Global showed us that for a friendship, it does not matter how long we know someone, that in fact mutual understanding and common goals in life unite the most sincere friendships where religion, nationality and skin color do not matter, where we all together with mutual help and motivation move forward to a future that we will create. And is there a better future than a future created by ingenious young minds fused for a better tomorrow?